Hi everyone, today we're going to do the Trolls Dreamworks Look and Find. Yay! Okay, let's do another page in our Troll Look and Find book.
Whoa, this is
Want a cupcake? Biggie always does. He's looking for his favorite flavors on the cupcakery shelves. Can you help Biggie find these tasty treats? Oh, there's Poppy's daddy. Okay, let's see. So we have to find this cupcake. There's Biggie, and it's green, and it has purple sprinkles and orange sprinkles and a green cherry and a purple wrapper.
And this is big.
And it's big. So
let's find this one.
Nope, we're gonna find this one first. Let's see if we can find this cupcake first.
This is hard.
This is not easy. There's so many cupcakes. Okay, let's go like this. So we'll go across. That's a big one, but that's not it.
Let's go like
So we need green icing.
Let's do this. This is big. I found it.
You found it. It was down here on the bottom. I didn't even see it. Good
didn't.
job.
I was gonna do this.
Okay, let's find this one now. It's blue and it has a yellow wrapper and a red cherry on top. That one's
I
hard.
did it. Wait, there.
Oh my goodness, Frankie, you're too good at this. There it is. Frankie found it. It was hiding. Okay, now we're gonna try to find this cupcake, and it has white icing and purple candies on it and a pink wrapper.
Let's
So
try
let's
doing this.
let's look over here. Well, let's look over here. So we need to find a white with
Nope,
purple.
it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work.
That's purple, but that's not it. Remember, it has to look like this. Let's see.
This is purple.
That is purple, but that's not the right cupcake. Do you guys see it anywhere? Is it in here maybe?
This is purple. Yeah.
Oh, it's over there. Joey found it. There it is. Okay, now we have to find this big, yummy looking cupcake, and it has green icing and, oh, my favorite strawberries! Where's that one at?
That one.
No, it's not over there.
This one is gone. I see it.
That looks so delicious. Is it back here?
No.
No.
That's a birthday cake.
That does look like a birthday cake.
But it is.
I wonder where it is. So we have to find this one right here. Frankie, do you see
Let's
this
go down
one?
Here. Let's see. Let's go down here. There it is. Where's that one?
There it is. Yay!
My favorite, strawberries.
I love strawberries.
Let's find this one.
Okay, let's find this one.
It's right there.
Oh, Frankie found it so fast. It's right there. So there's that one. Okay, now we have to find this one with the star. It's the last one.
It's right there.
There it is, right there. Good job, everybody.
Wait, why?
Good job.
If you had fun doing this, make sure to click another Look and Find video. And please subscribe to our channel. It's free and it helps us out. Thanks so much. Bye.